Hello, sir. How are you doing? So we are now on this part here. Okay, so there's a part where there are two variations there. So first one, that's the first part, but not variations, like the first part of the bass line. Right? This is the same chord shape. Then the part of the variations now. The second part of the variation is first one. Second one. So slowly now. First version.